Discover the invisible world living on your smartphone, from harmless skin flora to antibiotic-resistant pathogens, and learn simple science-backed tips to keep your device and you safe. Your smartphone isn't just a technological marvel, it's a thriving microbial ecosystem. We touch our phones over 2,600 times daily, transferring bacteria, fungi, and even viruses from our hands onto the screen and casing. The most common inhabitants are skin bacteria like Staphylococcus, found on up to 44% of phones. More concerning is Staphylococcus aureus, including antibiotic-resistant MRSA strains, present on nearly a third of devices. Even E. coli, indicating fecal contamination, appears on up to 10% of healthcare workers' phones. Beyond bacteria, fungi like Candida colonize warm, moist crevices of phone cases. Recent metagenomic analyses have even detected viral DNA from herpes viruses and human papillomaviruses on mobile devices. Why do phones become microbial magnets? Each tap transfers microbes. Phones travel everywhere: bathrooms, kitchens, public transit. And despite recommendations, only 20% of users disinfect their phones daily. The health implications are significant. Pathogens can cause skin infections and gastrointestinal illness. Most alarming, one study identified over 134 different antibiotic resistance genes on smartphones. Fortunately, effective cleaning is simple. Isopropyl alcohol wipes, 70% or higher, significantly reduce bacterial load. UVC sanitizers can inactivate up to 99.9% of microbes in under a minute. For daily maintenance, a damp microfiber cloth with mild soap works well. Remember these best practices. Disinfect your phone daily. Avoid using it in restrooms or while preparing food. Wash hands before and after use in high-risk areas, and store it in a clean, dry place. Your smartphone may harbor up to 25,000 microbial species. By adopting simple cleaning routines, you can reduce infection risk and limit the spread of microbes. Stay informed, stay clean, and keep scrolling safely.